Let me tell you about a standard that's quite keen. IAS 24, know what I mean when your business deals with family and friends. Disclosure rules, they never bend. If they're related, don't be frustrated. All transactions must be stated. Size doesn't matter, don't feel flattered. Even small amounts get scattered. Parent, child, or spouse's firm. Disclosure rules are always firm. Uncle's company bought your stock. Better write it down around the clock, 'cause it's all about transparency, you see, when you're dealing with your family tree. From your mother-in-law's subsidiary to your cousin's joint venture spree. IAS 24, that's the way. Related parties cannot hide away. Disclose it all, don't delay. Let the user see the light of day. Got a CEO who's also your mate. Key management compensation, don't hesitate. Sister's firm just bought your land. Write it down with your own hand. 20% or more control. Associate status, that's the goal. 50% you're in command. Subsidiary status across the land. Sometimes the lines get blurry, I know, when business and family start to flow. But the users need to understand where the money goes hand in hand. Joint control with your best friend. Joint venture rules will never bend. Even if the deal seems small and tight, bring it all into the light. 'Cause it's all about transparency, you see, when you're dealing with your family tree. From your mother-in-law's subsidiary to your cousin's joint venture spree. IAS 24, that's the way. Related parties cannot hide away. No secrets hiding in the shade. Truth and trust will never fade. Yeah, nature of the relationship. Don't let any details slip. Outstanding balances at year end. Terms and conditions, my friend. Doubtful debts and write-offs too. Commitments made between me and you. Expenses recognized for guarantees. All disclosed with such expertise. Yes, it's all about transparency, you see, when you're dealing with your family tree. From your father's firm to entities that share the same facilities. IAS 24, show the way. Related parties see the light of day. No secrets hiding in the shade. Truth and trust will never fade. That's the key. Family business, honestly. IAS 24, forevermore. So remember when you're signing deals with folks you know and how it feels. Disclosure keeps the trust alive. That's how businesses survive. Related parties side by side, with transparency as your guide.